Welcome to Ambroise Repair and Adjustments. The topic of today is to show you how to replace a clip, one of the closure clips. Clips might break, and as you can see, this one is broken. Replacing the clips is relatively easy. You just open the Velcro, take the broken clip out if it's still there, position the new clip and close the Velcro. Make sure you look at the orientation of the clip. This is how to do it, and not like that. Last thing you do is please check if the orientation of your clip is correct. Just close the clip by hooking it in. If it closes properly, you've done the job correctly. This is how it needs to be done. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions about our product portfolio or the things you saw in this specific video, please do not hesitate to contact us. We're more than willing to help you along getting better results with our products for your patients.